When Photoshop opens, it shows recent photos that you edit recently. If you once open Workspace directly, do like this. First go to Edit menu, at the bottom of the drop-down menu click Preference. Then click General. For Adobe Photoshop 2017, untick Show Start Workspace when no documents are open. For Adobe Photoshop 2020, untick Auto Show the home screen. Then click OK. To check this, do like this. Open a photo. And then close the Photoshop. Then open Photoshop again. Now it's working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.